Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to use some of the amazing features of Folks Finance, such as depositing and borrowing. Let's get started. The first thing you can do with Folks Finance is to deposit your digital assets and earn interest from borrowers. You can choose from a variety of assets, such as Algo, USDC, wrapped BTC, and more. The interest rates are dynamic and depend on the supply and demand of each asset. You can see the current deposit APY and borrow APY for each asset on the app. To make a deposit, simply select the asset you want to deposit, enter the amount and click on the deposit button. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will see your balance updated on the app. You can also withdraw your deposit at any time by clicking on the withdraw button and following the same steps. One of the benefits of depositing your assets with Folks Finance is that you can use them as collateral to borrow other assets. To use your deposit as collateral, you need to create a loan first. You can create multiple loans with different types and names, and manage them separately. To create a loan, simply go to the Loans page, and click on the Create New Loan button. Type in the name of your loan, and choose a loan type between General, Stablecoin Efficiency, or Algo Efficiency. Click on Create Loan, and confirm the transaction on your wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will see your loan created on the app. Now on the deposit page, click on Move to Collateral on Your deposit. Choose the loan you want to add collateral to. Type in the amount you want to move. Click Move to Collateral. Now that you have moved your deposit to collateral, you can borrow other assets using your loan. To make a borrow, follow these steps. Go to the Loans page and click on Borrow. Choose the loan you want to use from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount of the asset you want to borrow. Choose between stable or variable APY. Stable APY is fixed and predictable, while variable APY changes according to market conditions. Click on the Borrow button and confirm the transaction on your wallet. You can repay your borrowings at any time using the same asset, another asset, or your collateral. You can also rebalance your loan by adding more collateral or repaying some of your borrowings. We hope this video was helpful and informative. Thank you for watching and happy lending.